What's the meaning of blurb? Blurb. Blurb.
Blobe. Blobe. A blurb is a brief promotional description of a book, movie, or other product meant to entice potential buyers or viewers. It typically appears on the jacket cover or back cover of a book or on a movie poster. The blurb aims to give readers or viewers a taste of what they can expect from the product by highlighting its key features or themes. It may also contain quotes from reviewers or endorsements from well-known authors or celebrities. The word blurb was coined in 1907 by American humorist Gelett Burgess, who created a mock book jacket for his own book that featured the term prominently.